Friday morning. We're first day of the Scout Nationals here at the Springfield Truck Plant. Had a 3-day drive, got in safely. Michael and Zaid got in by airplane late last night. We've got FC 520 here. We just unloaded it. We're gonna go put it where the presentations are and let everybody see. We're gonna get all our stuff set up in our booth and see what everybody brought out this year for the Nationals. Set up here. This is called the TSPC plant, part of the Springfield truck plant that we're in. So anyways, here's a booth. People are coming in, shopping, got it all set up. So yeah, hopefully like what we see here, that we're here today. Wander around and we'll check it out. Everyone, it's Saturday morning. I got Jim Allen here with me. Just in a little bit, in about an hour, we're going to have a seminar on FC 520. That is the oldest known surviving driving Scout that we're aware of. We got it here at the Springfield Navistar truck plant, and we're going to go over how I came into possession of it, and then Jim's going to talk about the history leading up to those running off the line. Sunday morning, we were packed up from the end of the Nationals here. It was a great time at the Navistar truck plant. Really appreciative of them having us here. It was so historic to be in the TSPC Center. Yeah, we're packed up. Going to be going over to Super Scout, quick visit over there, and then a couple of us hit the road, a couple of us hit the airlines, and heading back home. So great time. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed seeing our trip out here at the Nationals.